Hello, I'm Carolyn King, and I get my chiropractic practice services from Dr. Greg Barnes. And I wanted everyone to know that in addition to the regular services I've been getting, he recommended the Softwave therapy for me back in July of 2023. And I went through that therapy for about, I think, 6 to 8 uh, times, and it has, in my opinion, healed my lower back pain. I haven't had that lower back pain since I did that, and I'm so grateful for it. And I would recommend it to anybody to at least try it. It has done wonders for me. But my entire therapy here with Dr. Barnes has been wonderful. I wouldn't trade it for all of the medication that you can take for pain. And I thank them so much, all of the people that are working here.